Good morning, second graders. Welcome back. And we're ready for math. It is chapter 12, lesson 4. And our learning target is solve length word problems. The same thing that we've been doing. We'll just practice some more and we will get good at them. Okay? The way you get good at something is to practice. Practice. So let's read what it says. Newton's piece of string is 24 centimeters long. He gives Descartes 12 centimeters of the string. How long is the string that Newton has left? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. Now, here is something that you need to know, boys and girls. You don't need to have your ruler to do this. Okay? We can draw pictures that aren't the real measurements. All right, so I'm going to put this away because I can just draw my line and say Newton's string is 24 centimeters long. Now, I get to do this and say it is 24. And that's what it is. I don't have to have it actually be 24. I can just draw it and call it 24. All right. As long as inside my smart brain, I'm thinking this is 24. Let's see what else they want us to do. He gives Descartes 12 centimeters. So if he gives Descartes 12 of the 24, am I going to be adding more on? No, right. I am going to be taking some of this away. And how much did I take away? 12, right? Newton took away 12 of his 24 centimeter string. All right. How long is the string that Newton has left? That's all we need to do. Now, I know because we've been practicing, you are probably thinking of our 4 equations. 12 plus something equals 24. Something plus 12 equals 24. 24 minus something equals 12. Or 24 minus 12 equals something. What would you like to do? And I know that some of you are thinking, I know the answer already, but we won't talk about that yet. All right, the one that I like to do the most is where I have all of my numbers on the one side and my something, what I'm trying to find, on the other side of the equation, right? The equal sign. So I have 24 minus this much, minus what we know, is going to equal something, the answer. So 24 minus 12, and I know, boys and girls, because we've been practicing in both classes, you are probably saying, I know. Well, let's do the math. 4 minus 2. Can I do it? If I have 4, can I take away 1, 2? Yeah, I can do it. It's not bigger on the bottom. There are 2 left. And if I have 2, can I take away 1? Absolutely. 24 minus 12 equals 12. So how many centimeters? 12 centimeters. Compare the lengths of string. Is one longer or are they the same length? They are, right? The question mark, the something is 12. They are the same length because 12 plus 12 is a double to 24, or 24 minus 12 equals 12. And that's it. All right, let's turn it over and go to page 598. Here's an example that you can look through. Here is another one. Let's look and do this math. Your blanket is 66 inches long. Your friend's blanket is 9 inches longer than yours. How long is your friend's blanket? So, what do we know? We know your blanket is 66 inches long. Your friend's blanket is 9 inches longer. Longer is the important part. It is not 9 inches, it's 9 inches longer. So let's draw our picture, right? I have my blanket, right? Your blanket, my blanket. When I'm reading the problem, I always think it's mine. My blanket is how long? 66 inches. My friend's blanket is 9 inches longer. So my friend's blanket, I don't stop before mine. I have to say it is longer than my blanket, right? And when I look at this picture, this is my friend's blanket. It is longer by how much? From here to here is how much? You're right, 9 inches. So how do I figure out the answer to this? That's what I want to find out. I have this number, and I have to find out this. So what are my math problems? Right away, I could say 66 plus 9 equals this. Well, I don't think I want to look at any of the other ones. I could say 9 plus 66. Those are both on the same side of the equation. I could say this, something minus 66 is going to equal 9. Or something minus 9 is going to equal 66. But those have something on the side, on one side of the equation with a number. So let's do 66 plus 9 equals something, right? Equals what I'm trying to find out. So let's do it like this. 66 plus 9. I'm sure my moms and dads out there helping appreciate this. 9 plus 6 is 15. There's a 5. The 10 comes up here. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 75. So my something is 75, and that is 75 inches. Your friend's blanket is 75 inches because it is 9 inches longer than yours. All right, let's go to the next page, page 599. It says, a blue whale is 31 meters long. A humpback whale is 16 meters long. How much longer is the blue whale than the humpback whale? 31 meters long, 16 meters long. How much longer? I'm going to say that the blue whale is 31. The humpback whale is 16. How much longer is this? And to set up this problem, I would say how much longer? 31 minus 16 is going to give us our answer. If I have 1, can I take away 6? No. So I take one of these 10s, leaving me with 2. I add it to the 1, 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 15 meters longer. All right. I want to take a little time to do this one. This one makes us think 2 different parts. Pay attention through the whole thing. Newton runs 450 meters. Descartes runs 25 meters less than Newton. And how far did they run in all? So, Newton, I'm going to say N for Newton, runs 450 meters. Descartes, D, runs how much? 25 meters less. 25 meters less, right? Newton is 450. Descartes is 25 meters less, so my line for Descartes is going to be shorter. How much shorter? 25 meters shorter. All right. Then it says, how far do they run in all? Ooh. Let's find out. Let's find out the answers to this. All right. So I need to find out how long Descartes runs, and then we'll talk about that question again. So when I look at this, 450 minus 25 is going to give us the answer to this. So let's set that up. 450 minus 25 is going to give us the answer to how far Descartes ran. 0 minus 5, I cannot do it. So I take one of these 10s. That leaves me with 4. Add the 10 plus 0. Now I have 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus nothing is 4. So I know that my question mark here is 425. Let's see if that answers the question. How far do they run in all? In all, boys and girls, means I put this together with this. Is 425 how much they ran? Descartes and Newton together? No, it's only Descartes. So together, in all, I have to add my new information to what they already told us. So let me do that over here. 450 plus 425 is going to give us in all of them together. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is a double. That's 8. So together, 450 meters plus 425 meters equals 875 meters. Don't be tricked. Just because you found out the question or found out the answer to part of it, you still had to take that information and bring it up here so that we could find out the answer to the whole problem. All right, boys and girls, I want you to do page 601. And if there are review and refresh pages or questions at the end, you can do that. Have a great day.